teachers, and I've already learned a lot of subjects, especially subjects teach in abroad universities in English. That's why I've improved my English and I'm aiming to target universities abroad.
How about you, parents?
Well, through international curriculum, I have studied a lot of things. Like I have met with students from different region. I also study about how to communicate English well, and through this curriculum, I also prepare myself to study in abroad.
So you guys are planning to go studies abroad, yeah? Where to? Where do you want to go?
I'm targeting Singapore, especially the university, National University of Singapore,
National University of Singapore, okay?
and Nanyang Technology of Singapore.
And you?
And
Okay.
you.
So how about you, parents?
Well, for me, I chose USA because I think it's fit for me, and because also in USA I also have my other brother, so I think it can help me to like adjust easily.
Okay, very nice then. So before we go to the next performance, what's your message to all of the audience here?
The only thing that I want to say to all of you guys is if you have in mind, especially for the parents, if you want to make your students or your kids to learn more deeply in English and also other languages, in Sekolah Lokon we also provide not only English or Tuition Edexo, but we also provide the students using Mandarin-based language. So we also teach the students at SMP Lokon and SMA Lokon in Mandarin.
Thank you. How about you, parents? What do you want to say to all of the audience here?
Okay, so if you're curious about bilingual education or international pathways, come visit our booth, ask questions, and then you will see how Sekolah Lokon is preparing students for a bright global future. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. So, last but not least, Miss Gina, what do you want to say?
Well, tidak usah ragu-ragu, ayo gabung di Los Nito.
Okay, luar biasa.